Hello friends, welcome back again to this amazing channel Zee Tech. My name is Barry Allen and today in this video I am gonna show you how you can get your Airwallex account. So first of all, I wanna let you know that if you wanna create your own account, LLC based or personal account, then you have to get some kind of documents if you are outside USA. Okay, so if you wanna purchase that kind of documents and with private method, you can contact me on my social media links. So let me show you the account, and if you wanna buy it you can contact me. Okay, so I'm gonna log in here. You can just check. As you can see, this is the interface of that account, which is LLC based and it is Airwallex account. The basic feature that I like the most about this account is that we can create unlimited virtual credit cards and it supports 11 currencies. We can manage our funds without converting them and paying high fees. So you can just check it. So let me show you the currency section. After it, I'm gonna show you the cards section, whether we can create cards on it or not. Here are my account details. So let's head toward the cards section and let me show you how the cards work in this account. So you have to follow the same steps. If you wanna create a virtual credit card in it, you can just buy this account, and if you wanna use cards for different purposes like Azure, RDP and other things. Okay, so friends, one of the basic feature and one of the favorite feature of this account is that we can create unlimited virtual credit cards. So I'm gonna create one and let me show you how it works. So here I am typing the nickname and let me choose the purpose of this account or this card. Then I'm gonna type the amount here. If I wanna add a specific amount, I can just choose it. So here I will click on create card. Let's see what happens. And as you can see guys, my card has been created and I can use it for different purposes. Okay, so this card is a very powerful card. We can use this card on any site we want. It will work 100% surety. Okay, so we can just put the OTP from our authenticator app and we can just check the card details. Okay, so if you are planning to buy an Airwallex account, then you have to contact me on my social media links given in the start of the video, in the description, and I will put at the end of the video as well. Okay, so this supports a lot of currencies. You can just check it here, and you can just manage your currencies without having any sort of exchange fee. Okay, so this is the main feature of this account. People buy a lot of accounts for this purpose. You can just check it, all the accounts are active here. We can just use them. Okay, so you have to contact me if you want to buy this kind of account. As you can see, my LLC name, and this was the account of Airwallex.